Come on, boy. These birds are so beautiful. You know, when I was a young kid, I used to see these birds roaming around back in our home. But nowadays, I no longer see them.
Sometimes you would see these birds early in the morning.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, here in Barbados. Yeah.
These ones are partially do it.
These are ones too.
These are what you do. Some of them.
Oh, what species is this?
Cockatiels. They're going to hold one at the end of the
Cockatiels. Seems like sunflower is their special diet.
They have sunflower and millet mixed together. Yeah.
Too hard for you to bite? It's amazing how they unpeel the shell. And then they go for the seed inside. Very intelligent birds.
They are. These ones here would also count. Only like a green one and the gray one.
Oh.
Gray mat.
Hello, Parrotis. Very pleased to talk to me.
Yeah.
And these ones with training, can they talk?
They could, but these ones I've never heard them mimicking words. The gray one will come, and then the others make sure to come after seeing the green one.
Oh.
And this green one here also. The males have a black ring around the neck.
The males have
one that's not visible. A black ring around the neck, like this one right here.
Oh.
So that would be considered a male.
Okay, is it natural or is it something that someone painted there? Natural? Oh. That's interesting. Oh, this one looks adorable. Yeah, this one is not visible. What a beautiful bird.
We have budgies right here.
Budgies?
Budgies, yeah.
Oh.
If you look at the crew of the budgies, it's a bit of noise part.
Yeah.
It would be blue for the males and brown for the females.
Blue for the males, brown for the females.
So look, this male, so tiny.
Oh, this is male.
Yeah.
Oh, the males are tiny. And
No,
the females
it's not he's so tiny, same to us. But he has, if you look at his face, you will see the blue nose. They don't all turn around faces there. If you can see it.
Yeah.
Blue on the neck.
They're called budgies.
Females have brown.